Hello friends, hope you're doing good.
In today's video, I'll be giving you a walkthrough to an AI-powered styling and shopping app named as Lumi. Sometimes we don't understand which type of outfit best suits our body type, so we end up getting clothes that don't match our style. Therefore, Lumi application has combined AI technology with professional styling expertise to help you create fully personalized outfits based on your lifestyle and preferences. And after that, you can directly shop from Lumi application. What is unique, or I would say innovative, about Lumi application is that it focuses on your personal relevance rather than pushing trends. Also keep in mind that as of now, this application is designed only for women. First of all, you can download the official Lumi app on your device, and beware that for now this application is available only on iOS devices and not on Android phones. For that, you can either click on the link in the description or just type Lumi styling and shopping on App Store, and then you will find this application. It has an overall 4.1 star rating. So now let's download it on our device. After the downloading is done, you will open it and this will be the interface. You will click on continue, then you will need to sign up using your email ID. Once you are logged in, then here it shows that Lumi offers a 28-day styling discovery plan. This plan will bring clarity about your dressing style, and then you can get the outfit that actually fits you. Then you will get a lifestyle and interest related quiz, and the AI technology will figure out the best possible combinations for your body type. And you need to be careful while filling this quiz. So here you can see it is asking about your main focus. Let's go with the define my style for now. Then you can select the topics you are interested in. Let's select these three options. Then give your age, your lifestyle. Let's select social from here. From here you can select the style that best suits you. You can also go with I don't know if you have no clue about this. Then choose your favorite colors. Then you can choose any clothing you avoid, fashion brands you prefer, your eye color, hairstyle, your body shape, etc. Then you need to give your height, weight, and other body measurements. Then you will land on the home page of Lumi application, where you see the results based on your lifestyle and preferences you have mentioned in the quiz. Now let's click on the first dress here. Here you are getting the notification that your size preferences has been saved, and if you want to change the size, then you can do it from your profile. For now, let me continue with this dress. This is the overall outfit, and here you see the option of try now. You just click there and you can try this outfit on yourself by uploading your image. Let me select an AI generated image from my gallery. Since Lumi application is dedicated for women's style only, therefore I have uploaded this image here. Once selected the image, you can click on continue and wait for a while until it processes. Once it's done, then you will see that the selected outfit has been applied on your selected image, and you will be able to figure out whether it suits you or not. If you like it, then you can add it into your bag and purchase it from there. Similarly, you can try other dresses on the same or different images to see how they suit you. It gives a better understanding of how a particular style or dress matches or differs your body style and preference. Here in the most common styles, you can see a bunch of options to choose from. Now let me go to the search tab and type jeans. Then here you see I get a lot of combinations based on the preferences I had selected earlier. Now I will select one outfit and then I can click on try on, and then it will automatically fit these clothes on the image I had uploaded previously. Similarly, you can try the remaining outfit and see which one better suits you. You can also type for any type of clothing from the search bar here, for example skirts, etc., and then you can choose your preferred style. Now let me click on the chat icon here on the screen, and then I'll land on this page. Here I can chat with the Lumi's AI stylist. There are some existing prompts you can try, for example, how to style my body shape, find my colors, etc. Let me type this question: what color better suits blue jeans? Then it will give me a comprehensive answer. And I can also ask for examples as well. I can type show me outfits with blue jeans. Then Lumi app's AI stylist will show me similar examples. Then you can try any of these options and decide whichever seems your type. In this way, you can ask any question from AI Stylist to get help regarding your outfit combinations. Now let's go to the My Profile option here. If you encounter any problem, then you can contact Lumi's support system and they will hopefully help you. You can simply select the topic here and then type your concern and then send. Now if you want to change the size, then you can go to the personal info here. Here you see all the information you have provided. And from this option here, you can change the customized style, size and preferences. And once you change them here, then those changes will be applied to the clothes you will select. So be mindful while measuring your sizes. So that's how you can select your preferred clothes and shop them using Lumi's AI-powered technology. What I really liked about Lumi's application is the way it customizes clothes based on your preferences and its capability to help you try out the outfit online before you even purchase that. Another good feature is the variety of clothes you can find on this application. Apart from that, AI Stylist is always there to help you out if you get any confusion, and it has got a good customer support system. You can contact them anytime, anywhere you are. The price may not be ideal for many people, but those who can afford, then Lumi can be one of their best shopping stores. Overall, Lumi is a legit shopping app, and you can try this app by clicking on the link in the description. But if you face any problem related to delivery or payment method, then you can directly contact the customer support system via their application. So that's it from Teaching Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. And until next one, goodbye and take care.